Sita Padakamalam.
This Drupad, this son of Drupad, he was meant for killing Dronacharya. Drupad Maharaj was not in good terms with Dronacharya. So he performed a yajna to get a son who could kill Dronacharya. That son is this Drupada. So Dronacharya knew that Drupad Maharaj has got his son, in future he would kill me. Still, when he was offered to become his disciple, to learn military art, he accepted. Yes. That means the Brahmanas are so liberal. When he is coming as my disciple, never mind, he would kill me in future, that doesn't matter, but I must give him teaching. Therefore this word is used, dhimata, very intelligent. He has learned the military science from you just to kill you. Dhimata, tavasishena, your disciple. He has arranged. This is the pointing out. So that he may be angry. This rascal has learned from me and he wants to kill me. But no, duty is duty. After all, everyone will die. Nobody will exist. So nobody should be afraid of death. This is Vedic civilization. Death is inevitable, as sure as death. Who can avoid death? So, being afraid of death, we should not deviate from our duties, real duty. That is Vedic civilization. So, Duryodhana wanted to point out that this boy, your disciple, it is fixed up that he is meant for killing you, and he has arranged nicely military phalanx just to defeat you. And he has learned this art from you, therefore he is using this word dhimata. Dhi means intelligence. Dhimat shabda. Dhimat. Dhi means intelligence. And mat means one who possesses. Astartha matu pratta. When one possesses something, in this sense, this pratyaya, in Sanskrit there are pratyayas, so matu pratyaya. So matu, from matu it comes to mat. Sanskrit language means it is so reformed that each and every word has significance. Not that like your English language, beauty but beauty put. No, not like that. If you say beauty but, you must say beauty but no, you change. Beauty but beauty put. Why? This kind of change cannot be allowed in Sanskrit language. If the you means just like beauty but, then it must always mean like that. No change. So, dhimata, dhi means intelligence. Dhi means intelligence. So one who has got intelligence, every word is used with full meaning. Sanskrit language is so nice, therefore it is called Sanskrit. Sanskrit, Sanskrita. Sanskrita means reform. And the alphabets are called Devanagari. Devanagari means these alphabets, just like in Europe, the Roman letters are used. Similarly, in the upper planetary system, these alphabets are used, Devanagari, used in the cities of the demigods. And the language is called Sanskrit, most reformed. And Sanskrit is the mother of all languages. Even in this planet, the Latin is also derived from Sanskrit. Just like the maternal, the matri shabda, paternal, pitri shabda. So, dhimata. So, here the writer is Vyasdev. So, every word is selected either in Bhagavad Gita or in Srimad Bhagavatam or the Puranas, all writings, Mahabharata, each and every word is used just like weighing in the balance. There should be so many words should be in the beginning, so many words should be in the end, not whimsically. That cannot be allowed. That is called Sanskrita Sahitya, literary. Just like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he was hearing Keshav Kashmiri, as soon as there was little discrepancy, Bhavani Bharta, immediately he criticized and repeated it. Sanskrit language is so nice. Pasyaitang Panduputranam, acharya, my dear teacher, just see how many military soldiers are standing there on behalf of the Pandavas, and they have been arranged by your desire, who is meant for killing you. So just remember, that means you become more strong, that this boy and the other party may not kill you. But Duryodhana does not know that the death does not depend on military strength or bodily strength. When death will come, nobody can check. Death is God. When Kṛṣṇa desires that this man should be killed now or he must die now, nobody can check. Rakhe Kṛṣṇa mare Kṛṣṇa rakhe ke. If Kṛṣṇa desires to kill somebody, nobody can give him protection. No power. And if he wants to save somebody, nobody can kill him. This is Kṛṣṇa's protection. Therefore, this big commander-in-chief, Dronacharya and Bhishma Dev, Kṛṣṇa, they were very big, powerful commanders. Arjuna was nothing before them. Arjuna was just like Parikshit Maharaj compared that my grandfather was just like an ordinary fish, and these soldiers, these commanders, just like Timingal. Timingal, there is a fish, we get information from Vedic literature. Very big fish. They swallow the whales. Timi means whale fish. And Timingal means just like small fish are swallowed up like this. So just imagine how big such fish is. So these commanders, Kṛṣṇa, Dronacharya and Bhishma, were compared with the Timingal. And Arjuna, although very powerful, he was compared with Timi. So Parikshit Maharaj admitted that it was not possible for my grandfather to win over the battle before these big commanders. it is only by the grace of Krishna you are saved. So the conclusion is, if Krishna saves, nobody can kill. And if Krishna wants to kill, nobody can save. Therefore, our conclusion should be that we should always be under the protection of Krishna. Avasya rakhive Krishna. This is Saranagati. Saranagati is surrender. Surrender means that I am surrendering to Krishna with full faith that he is quite competent and able to give me protection. This is called surrender. Not that hesitation. Oh, I will surrender to Krishna, and in case of danger, he may not be able to give me protection. That is not surrender. With full faith, yes, Krishna is so powerful, Krishna is so great, that I am surrendering to Krishna from this day. From this day, Krishna, I was wandering throughout the universe, life after life, without knowing my relationship with you. Now today I surrender unto you. Kindly accept me and engage me in your service. This is called surrender. Thank you very much.